What product is trending? What product are you gonna get for Christmas? Well, the Ulike Laser hair removal for women and men, that's trending. It's an IPL hair removal device. It's a fire ice cooling technology and it's painless. You know, it's safe, it's long lasting, and reducing in hair growth for body and face. Yes, that's what's trending this Christmas. Now, about this item, you can get salon results in just 4 weeks. Enjoy smooth skin and get noticeable reduction in hair. So it's the Ulike hair removal. Yes. After the first 4 weeks of treatment, continue with bi-weekly touch-ups to look your best year round. Yes. Ulike sapphire-based flat window design targets hair at the root while ensuring each flash is nearly painless and efficient. Industry-leading cooling technology. Get silky smooth results at home. Ulike adapts clinical grade sapphire ice touch technology to lower the temperature from 158 degrees Fahrenheit to 67 degrees Fahrenheit at the point of contact with your skin. Yes, it's the Ulike laser hair removal. Very good. Recommended by dermatologists. Just one of the reasons why it's the top pick of dermatologists, and its ease of use and amazing results make it a favorite among influencers. Exquisite package makes it a perfect gift choice for Christmas and New Year. Are you gonna get it? You can get it for Valentine's Day gift. Suitable for full body use. Get to work on pesky hairs with Ulike. Simply select the intensity level suitable for you and treat hair on your arms, legs, underarm, and more. What's in the box? Get fantastic results right from your sofa.